Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. I also enjoy unboxings and you guys do too. This is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April. It's looking a little chunky because I did get add-ons this month. If you're unfamiliar with the Ipsy Glam bag, the OG one that I've now gotten for over 10 years, can y'all believe that? I can't believe it. It is a $14 monthly subscription where you receive 5 travel try-me-size items. Occasionally we get lucky and get full-size items, and there's a makeup bag as well. I have always said for the entirety of the 10 years of me getting the bag, I feel like it is a wonderful bang for your buck for many reasons. First and foremost, let me not look in there yet. First and foremost, I think if you are a new beauty to makeup, skincare, the whole beauty world, or you have a new little beauty who's trying to dip their toes into the beauty spectrum, it's an affordable way to test out all types of brands without breaking the bank. It's a way to build a collection if you're trying to start to, to build a collection of hair, makeup, skin, etc. I also really love the premise of let me try this bag at a really affordable price, and then if I fall in love with these travel try-me-size items, then I can kind of opt to pay the full price versus going in and paying $40 or $50 for a product and you absolutely hate it. So yeah, I always feel like I get a great bang for my buck. I'm gonna grab my actual Glam bag out of here and then I will show you the add-ons. So here is how it is packaged. I love their new packaging. I think it's beautiful. And even though I get PR from Ipsy, I still get my own bag. All right, I'm filling some stuff outside of the bag. Oh, cute. That bag is really cute this month, y'all. All right, there's like actually 2 things outside of my actual bag. The bag itself is like a really pretty floral, like quilted, and it's like a hot sherbety type of orange, and I do really like the zipper pull as well. It's definitely a spring vibes, which I love. Okay. You will also have a card each month that gives us all of our pertinent details and stuff like that. This is Spring into Self-Care. Nourish your skin, savor a sweet treat. Soak in the beauty of nature. This month, indulge in life's simple pleasures and let your glow run wild. I'm just going to showcase the 2 that are outside the bag first. This is I don't actually know, but generally if it's in bubble wrap, it means makeup. All right, this is, I still don't know, you guys. I'm gonna assume this is like the Just Jimena. Hopefully that's how you say it because that looks quite familiar to me. It is You and Me in Miami. I'm gonna assume it's an eyeshadow palette. All right, yes. It is kind of standard packaging with orange detailing. You do have the shade names on the back. And very pretty, also very springy. I like to see that. Sometimes I do get a little bit bummed out with subscription boxes because I feel like they should gear toward that particular season. That's my own personal opinion. So I like to see that. I like to see something a little bit more pastel, a little bit more kind of bright and colorful. So I love that. Next up, we have a brush from NOMAD Cosmetics. It is an angled brush. I would use this for powder, for blushes, things like that. And it also has that kind of beautiful, kind of peachy, salmon-y color. Love that. Also perfect for spring. I'm liking the direction this is going. And for my profile, I have dark eyes, dark hair, light to medium skin. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skincare. So not really seeing any skincare, but that's okay. I don't mind it. Next up is an Illuminati multi-chrome gel eyeliner in the shade Air. And I have received quite a few of these actually, and I think they're really nice. Like, I like to have something that you can like really see the shifts to them. I really like the component of this. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. Oh, it's like a varnished goldy green into a beautiful kind of like eggplant purple type shade. I don't know that you'll see the green. Like, I'm only seeing green on my end. That is really beautiful. I'm excited about that. Okay. And the brush and the palette are all full sizes. So for not a whole lot of money, we got a bunch of full sizes. Next up, we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA and BHA Pore Tight Toner. And then last up in my bag for the month is the Beauty Creations. I don't think I've seen Beauty Creations in Ipsy. This is the Plump and Pout High Shine Semi-Sticky Tint and Hydrate in the shade Dream Girl Plumping Gloss Stick. Okay, that sounds amazing too. It looks like a really beautiful color as well. I do have a full face of Beauty Creations up on my channel. I've done advent calendars, mystery boxes, things like that. And as a whole, they're really, really impressing me, and they're quite affordable. So very makeup heavy bag. Like if you are a makeup heavy, you know, babe, then you would be absolutely blown away by this. The bag itself, I think, is a win. And we had 1, 2, 3, 4 makeup products, most of which are all full size, and then we had our toner. I'm giving this bag a 5 out of 5 yellow hearts, y'all, because I think they did the damn thing. That's a beautifully curated bag. I like that it's spring focused. I like seeing some of the pastel tones and stuff like that. I love this bag a lot. Now we'll dive into my add-ons. You can go in and shop the add-ons and like the Mega Drop shop, things like that, for products up to 80% off. That goes back to what I was saying at the beginning. You know, say I try the Glow recipe, not to say that it's in the thing. I don't know if it is or not. But if you try this and you love it, you can then opt to pay full price versus paying full price for it and then you hate it. So first up, I got this Morphe set. This is the I Got This 4-piece eye brush set collection. And if you are somebody like me that you are filming quite frequently and doing, you know, obviously eyeshadow looks quite frequently, you have a pile of dirty brushes beside you at all times, and you go through brushes very quickly. So I feel like you can never have too many brushes. And again, very, very affordable. I also picked up a second set to be able to put into a giveaway. Y'all know I like to do little sneaky giveaways and stuff. So that's also a really affordable way for me to stock up for my resale group. It's a way for me to stock up for giveaways and things like that. Next up, I got the Must Be Cindy times Be Bella, the Not Declining Lip Kit. And a lot of these types of products, when I'm going in and shopping the add-ons, they will generally be for my resale group, for giveaways, gifts, things like that. Next up, I got the Beauty Creations Kiss and Tell Lip Duo. This one's not super sealed like that one is, so I will show you. The packaging is really stunning. Oh, that is really pretty. I don't know, I got this for, you know, a gift, but I don't think I would personally use that because it's slightly milky unless the liner is a little bit deeper, in which case that's kind of like what I have on today. Next up, I got the Commodity Milk Fragrance. This is also to put into giveaways and stuff like that. Next up, I got the Precisely My Brow from Benefit in the Warm Black Brown. I was literally just talking about this in my Sephora haul video. I will link that for y'all. I was speaking in terms of the Juliet Has a Gun fragrances, and I got the Juliet Has a Gun, the Juliet fragrance. And I like to have minis to be able to travel with and stuff like that, so they're not taking up a lot of space in my bag. Next up, speaking of the Just Humana, and hopefully I'm saying that right, I may not be, and I do humbly apologize if I'm not. This is a Sunkissed highlighter. Again, just kind of getting things for giveaways, for my resale group, things like that. Next up, I picked up the Jo Malone London, the Wood Sage and Sea Salt Cologne. Next up, I picked up another because I really am loving this mascara. This is the Benefit Bad Gal Bounce Mascara. It's actually what I have on my lashes today. And then last but not least, with my package and with my order, I picked up the Be Bella Cosmetics, my Orange Squeeze eyeshadow palette. I'm feeling the orange vibes, y'all. And I'll show you that. I do not, to my recollection, I have not had any experience with Be Bella. I hope those shadows are supposed to look like that. I'm going to say they are. As far as like the slight texture here, because some of them do have it and some of them do not have it. So yeah, that is my Ipsy Glam bag for the month of April, and then all of my add-ons. The add-ons in total were like $32, so if that gives you an idea, all of that for $32. And then of course, I always say it, I feel like you get the bang for your buck with Ipsy. I would like to know what you got in your bag. Do you receive Ipsy, and what are your favorite subscription boxes? I'd love to know. Let's have that conversation down below. Thank you for coming and joining me in my space. Thank you for allowing me to come into your space. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.